Beef liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods that you can eat. It's loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds that are vital for maintaining good health. In this video, we will explore some of the powerful benefits of beef liver and its nutritional facts. Beef liver is a powerhouse of nutrition, containing a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. One of the most notable nutrients in beef liver is vitamin A, which is essential for good vision, skin health, and proper immune function. A 3-ounce serving of beef liver provides over 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A, making it an excellent source for this important nutrient. Another key nutrient in beef liver is vitamin B12, which is crucial for red blood cell production and neurological function. Beef liver is one of the best sources of vitamin B12, with a 3-ounce serving providing more than 1,000% of the recommended daily intake. This makes it an ideal food for those who may be deficient in vitamin B12, such as vegans or people with digestive issues. In addition to these vitamins, beef liver is also rich in other essential nutrients, including iron, copper, selenium, and choline. Iron is important for oxygen transport in the blood, while copper helps with iron metabolism. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that protects against cell damage, and choline is essential for brain health and development. One of the most significant benefits of beef liver is its high concentration of heme iron. Unlike plant-based foods which contain non-heme iron, heme iron is more easily absorbed by the body and used to produce healthy red blood cells. This makes beef liver an excellent food source for people suffering from iron deficiency or anemia. Beef liver is also a good source of protein, providing approximately 25 grams of high-quality protein per 3-ounce serving. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. In addition to its nutritional benefits, beef liver is also a delicious and versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. It can be grilled, pan-seared, or broiled, and pairs well with a variety of flavors and ingredients. Some popular beef liver recipes include beef liver and onions, beef liver pâté, and beef liver croquettes. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consuming beef liver. Some people may not like the taste or texture of liver, while others may be concerned about its high cholesterol content. Additionally, if you're not careful when purchasing beef liver, it may contain harmful bacteria or parasites. To minimize these risks, it's important to purchase beef liver from a reputable source and to cook it thoroughly before eating. For those who do enjoy the taste of beef liver, it can be a nutritious and delicious addition to a balanced diet. Just like any other food, moderation is key. A general rule of thumb is to limit your intake of organ meats, including beef liver, to no more than 3 to 4 ounces per serving and no more than 1 to 2 servings per week. If you're considering adding beef liver to your diet, it's a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider first, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can help you determine the appropriate amount of beef liver to consume based on your individual needs and health status. In conclusion, beef liver is a nutrient-dense food that provides a variety of essential vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. It's an excellent source of vitamin A and B12, as well as heme iron, which is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. Additionally, beef liver is a good source of protein and other essential nutrients like copper, selenium, and choline. With its high nutritional value and delicious flavor, beef liver can be a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. However, it's important to consume it in moderation and to cook it thoroughly to avoid harmful bacteria or parasites. If you're considering adding beef liver to your diet, consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount for your individual needs and health status. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and share for more informative content about health and nutrition. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.